in West Virginia, Brooke and Hancock. At flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Southeastern Carroll County in East Central Ohio, Northeastern Harrison County in East Central Ohio, Northern Jefferson OH County in East Central Ohio, Southwestern Allegheny County in Southwestern Pennsylvania, Northwestern Washington County in Southwestern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Beaver County in Western Pennsylvania, Brooke County in Northern West Virginia, Hancock County in Northern West Virginia, until 10:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Lebanon, Weirton, Steubenville, Canonsburg, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Robinson Township, Cecil Bishop, Carnegie, Crafton, Bridgeville, Toronto, Green Tree, Wintersville, Mingo Junction, Fallensby, McGovern and Hooverson Heights. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.